my veins. Love, loyalty, respect, yeah. I wasn't bad, but if I slipped, man, it felt like a crime. Mama drunk, anger heavy, punishment crossed the line. Rough whoopings, loneliness, but I stayed in my lane. Didn't know it was trauma till I look back with age. Some kids break from the pain, some turn it to strength. Thank God I was built different, made tougher by flames. And I still love my parents like they gave me the world. Never once switched my heart, I stayed mama little boy. Kids thought I was spoiled cause I ain't shared the spotlight. Little did they know what was going on that night. Don't get it twisted, when she had it, mama made sure I had something that's real to this day. With wisdom come understanding, yeah, I see it all clear. I forget the pain cause I know where it came from. I'm here, Pop's real one, loved her through every storm. He ain't run from the fire, he stayed right there strong.